Hey there, it's Tereney back with some more Free Game Friday yoga tips. So today we're looking into triangle pose, which is one of my favorite poses of all time. Stepping back with my right foot, making sure the toes are pointed towards the side of the mat, and then looking at my left heel and my right arch and imagining a straight line drawn right between the two. Arms come out into a T, and I'll reach my left fingertips forward as I push my right hip back and then drop my left hand down, reach the right arm up. Triangle pose can be pretty intense on the hamstrings, so it's best to start up high and then slide your hand down your leg as your body starts to warm up, making sure that your torso stays in line with your front straightened out leg. If you'd like more support, bring a block in by placing it inside the front foot and bringing your left hand to the top at whatever height feels best. I would still suggest starting high and then adjusting to where you feel most comfortable. And the other option would be, just forget the block completely and bring the hand down to the mat, or even bring your peace fingers around your big toe. When you're ready to come up, engage the core, come all the way up, and then move to the other side, turning your right toes forward, left toes to the side, making sure you can draw that straight line, reach those right fingertips forward, left hip pulls back, and then left arm comes up as your right hand comes to the top of the leg, adjusting how you see fit. And then if you're using a block, make sure you bring it with you. A quick balance tip here: if you would like a little more stability in this pose, send your gaze towards your toes rather than up towards the ceiling. And again, use your core to come up and enjoy all that openness in your hamstrings. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you guys next Friday.